Hey, Sierra TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I've got TMG's #1 most popular pit here, the Fridge 48, all loaded up just the way we like it. So let's check it out here. Now, this is going to my man Cliff in California, about to load up on a trailer, send it over there to him. Hey, we sell a lot of pits over there the West Coast. Hey, love all y'all West Coast folks. And let's check out Cliff's smoker here. Now, we'll start with the main chamber here, the Fridge 48. So guys, that's 48 inches wide. Now in all of our fridges, you get 3 sliding trays in here. So a lot of cook room. That's one of the main reasons why the fridge is so popular. It's just a small footprint, but a lot of room in there. So you got your 3 sliding trays. Now this is a reverse flow smoker. So you got your reverse flow plates here. That's gonna direct the smoke all the way across the bottom and then back across the smoke chamber out of the stack. Got our TMG Pits Tell True thermometers. They're made in the USA. And they come around with a hot box here. Now this is our 30-inch hot box. We got 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 square inches of cook space, guys. That's just because we love America. And now the way this hot box works here is it is a completely independent chamber from the main chamber. So you can be running at 2 different temperatures. You can use this as a warmer, do your sides in it, smoke in it, grill in it. So very versatile option there. Everybody loves that hot box. Come around on the firebox. Now this is our standard firebox, all 1/4-inch plate steel. Got his fire management cradle in there. We do have D-ring tie down points on all 4 corners here. Makes it easy to tie down. Well, come around back here. Don't forget this. We got the rear folding shelf, guys. That is the best option to add on your Fridge 48. Big shelf, super heavy duty. Sit down on it, take a break, serve off of it, prep off of it. So guys, that is Cliff's Fridge 48. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.